Hey guys, this is Valgats and Friends, and my brother's playing some Sleeping Dogs.
Yes, he's tired as hell because he has to work.
I guarantee they couldn't hear you.
Well, too bad. My eyes are like half closed, Jerry. Look at this shit. And this is what night cold is. I can't even fucking play. I know I was playing this game earlier and I was like, fuck this. I just noticed his name is Laz. That's a good ass name. Get punched in the face. Like the law, like the right to rob people. I can't skip this, goddamn it. Ooh, gotta play.
Go, go, go.
Yes, I'm just gonna skip every cutscene. Tell them that.
My brother's gonna skip every cutscene.
The beginning is so boring.
Too bad.
Wait, Shen? Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
Why all the paranoia?
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
Leave him alone!
They're speaking Chinese.
Like that.
Get off him, I don't care who
The
you are.
game
Let
is
go of
based
Jackie.
in Hong Kong. Because it's that awesome. Okay, gotta get better.
Kidding me? Yeah, alright. Come the fuck on.
This game would be really annoying in outer space if they only spoke Chinese.
Uppercut.
Fuck you. Are you done? I'm still here.
There are
Here
so
we
many
are.
fucking cutscenes in the
Winston's
movie.
mom
It's
owns the
fucking
restaurant.
It's cutscene after cutscene, with a little bit of fighting in between. But seriously, 3 cutscenes in a row I got to skip.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about. You like that? Hey, you think you can fight? How about that? Come on, cowboy. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens if the shit gets heated.
Fuck you, cowboy.
Is that all you got? You gonna back down? Wipe that smile off your face.
Oh, that's Charlie, goddamn.
Come on.
Look at me, I'm
Why?
already failing in recording.
Take him out.
Get out of here.
I can't take them out, I just gotta keep pushing trying.
You like that?
Fuck you, convoy. Nobody like you. Dog ass moves.
Hello, boy.
I'll point out dog ass if I see him.
Boss, we were just leaving. Huh?
And it was just getting interesting,
That's dog
too.
ass.
Winston, my old friend. So good to see you.
And that's Winston.
How's your family?
Nobody likes dog ass. He's fucking
Easy.
No problem. You just have to be strong. You mentioned your sister
How long
back
has it
there.
been?
Amy? Yeah,
7 minutes.
Steve, years ago now. After we moved to the States, we tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, the hooks went deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You're my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
This game's depressing as
Joey
hell,
Quan
huh?
sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, big man.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Let's try to get up to where I am.
Need anything? Just come ask.
Then I will have to,
Don't you sometimes have to fight the people or something?
I'm sorry, but I'm just a jackass at heart.
But yeah, do
working
you
for
sometimes have to fight people?
Yeah, right.
Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
That's what a dog is.
Be a tough guy.
Phone.
I'll pay.
That's our bitch.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
Nobody like dog eyes. That's you know, I hit this hit him again.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with
Tell
Winston.
him to
You're
jump
gonna
on
pay us,
Joy
you
up his
understand?
asshole.
Go tell Winston to stick a back toy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory.
Oh, okay. Let's just
Come on, guys. Kick it up.
recycle you. Get the environment. Tackle your ass. Slap dog.
This isn't good. What the
And
hell
on
is
motorcycle.
this? Beat that punk. Come on, get back up.
So did you have a message for Winston? He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done.
So does it get harder every time you do this?
What do you mean?
Like when you do the extortion in the first part, does it get harder and harder every time?
I guess, yeah, 'cause you have to come up
Anyone under our protection.
Boom.
Ooh, a soda machine.
Ooh. 11 minutes in.
Oh, took down my ally bastard.
Oh.
And stuck his ass.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Alright. You should end it here. No, actually, there's one more part.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. A man who never eats for fun is never a whole man.
Do you have any other deals? 多謝喎. Close here. Want some clothes? Let me ring that up for you. Excellent. If that's the one you want.
Let's get back to Winston. Oh, that was awesome, man. All the teeth.
Alright, you can end it here.
Well, that's about enough for this episode. Goodbye, farewell, whatever floats your boat.